Good day, dear boys and girls. I'm an English teacher, Sadova Akpepekairatовна. I'm a teacher of school Lyceum named after Aliхан Bukikhanov. Today's our model is Model 7, Water, Water Everywhere. Lesson 3, By the Sea. Let's start our lesson. The learning objectives of the lesson are to know the words according to the theme by the sea. Learn to describe what do they like doing by the sea. First of all, let's start with new words. Listen to me attentively, then repeat after me and write all these words down into your vocabulary copybook. Мұқият тыңдап, қайтала, және барлық жаңа сөздерді сөздік дәптерге жазып ал. Let's start. First word is get wet. Су болу. Sail. Желкенді қайықпен жүзу. Water ski. Су шаңғысын тебу. Surf. Серфингпен айналысу. Pool. Бассейн. Dive. Сүңгу. Good job, guys. Now, let's hear exercise number 4 on page number 96. You need to listen, point, and repeat. Then match with the new words. The correct picture. 96 беттегі 4-ші жаттығуға көшейік. People's Book кітабында берілген сөздерді суреттермен дұрыс сәйкестендіру керек. Let's start. First, get wet. What picture is it? How do you think? Ойланып көрейікші, қай суретке get wet сөзі сәйкес келеді? Okay, let's look. Get wet is picture A. What about sail? Sail is picture F. And what about water ski? Oh, it is picture D. Surf is picture B. And where is pool? It is picture C. And dive is picture E. Good job, guys. Next task, exercise number 5 on page number 96. Listen and match. There is one extra child in the picture. Қанекей, 96-шы беттегі 5-ші тапсырманы орындайық. Бұл тапсырмада сіздерге аудиожазбаны тыңдап, және суреттерді балалардың аттарымен дұрыс сәйкестендіру керек. Назар аударыңыз, мына суретте артық бір бала бар. Okay, let's start.
Can you see Betty?
Betty? Yes, that's Betty. She's diving.
Oh yes, Betty can dive very well. Who's the boy surfing? Is that Oscar?
No, Oscar isn't surfing. Bob is surfing. Oscar is swimming.
Who's the girl eating an ice cream?
Eating an ice cream? Ah, that's Molly. Molly is eating an ice cream.
There are 2 boys sailing.
Oh yes, I can see them. That's Andrew and his brother.
Which one is Andrew?
Andrew is wearing green shorts.
Now, let's think about the picture and their names. How do you think? What picture is Betty? We know that Betty is diving. Betty is letter A. Bob is surfing. Oscar is swimming. He isn't surfing. Molly is eating an ice cream. Andrew is wearing green shorts. Okay, so, second task. Where is the extra child on this picture? Енді сұраққа жауап берейік. Суретте қай бала артық? Yes, the extra child is letter D, Andrew's brother. Мына суреттегі артық бала D суретіндегі бала, Andrew'дің ағасы. Great work, guys. Do this exercise in your copybook, please. Енді бұл тапсырманы дәптерлеріңізге орындаңыздар. The next task is study spot. And today we will talk about the present continuous tense. Бүгін біздің грамматикалық тақырыбымыз present continuous tense. Okay, let's look affirmative sentences. Болымды сөйлемге назар аударайық. The formula is affirmative sentences is here. With I, we use am. With he, she, it, we use is. And with you, we, they, we use are. Then verb with ing. For example, I'm skiing. He is diving. Next, negative sentences. Болымсыз сөйлемдер. Бұл сөйлемде демеулік шылау not қолданылады. For example, she is not skiing. They are not skating. And questions. Сұраулы сөйлемдер қалай жасалады? Назар аударыңыздар. Let's listen to the video.
Now, you answer.
What is he doing?
He's diving.
What is it doing?
It's swimming.
What are they doing?
They're surfing.
What are they doing?
They're sailing.
What is he doing?
He's water skiing.
Now, let's work with exercise number 7, page number 97. Complete the sentences, then match. 97-ші беттегі 7-ші тапсырманы орындайық. Сөйлемді аяқтап, present continuous'ты қолданып, және суретпен сәйкестендіріңіздер. Now, let's look at the first example. Paul is water skiing. Paul бұл he есімдігі. Себебі ол ұл бала. Формулаға қарап is to be етістігін қолданамыз. Және water ski етістігіне ing жалғауын жалғаймыз. Let's work with other sentences. They are sailing. The dolphin is looking at you. Derek is diving. Bill and Mark are surfing. Anne is fishing. Good job. Now, let's match with pictures. First is A. Second is C. Third is F. Fourth is E. Fifth is letter D. Sixth is letter B. Do this exercise into your copybook, please. Your feedback is very important for me. Tell me please, did you like the lesson? Okay, the lesson is over. Goodbye.